Welcome to Practice Easy English. Relationships and social interactions phrasal verbs with sentences. Get along. To have a friendly relationship. Do you get along with your coworkers? Yes, we all get along well. Break up. To end a romantic relationship. Did they break up recently? Yes, they broke up last month. Make up. To reconcile after a disagreement. Did you make up after the fight? Yes, we made up and are fine now. Fall out. To have a disagreement or argument. Did you fall out with your friend? Yes, we fell out over something silly. Ask out. To invite someone on a date. Did you ask her out? Yes, I asked her out for dinner. Chat up. To talk to someone in a flirtatious way. Did he chat you up at the party? Yes, he chatted me up all night. Hang out. To spend time socially. Do you hang out with your friends often? Yes, we hang out every weekend. Hit it off. To get along well from the start. Did you hit it off with your new neighbor? Yes, we hit it off immediately. Come over. To visit someone's home. Can you come over this evening? Yes, I'll come over at 7 p.m. Look up to. To admire or respect someone. Do you look up to your older brother? Yes, I really look up to him. Look after. To take care of someone. Do you look after your grandparents? Yes, I look after them on weekends. Get together. To meet socially. When will we get together next? Let's get together next Friday. Grow apart. To gradually become less close. Did you grow apart from your childhood friend? Yes, we grew apart over the years. Cheer up. To make someone feel better. Can you cheer her up? Yes, I'll try to cheer her up. Count on. To rely on someone. Can I count on you for help? Yes, you can count on me. Turn down. To reject an offer or invitation. Did you turn down his proposal? Yes, I had to turn it down. Get over. To recover from something. Did you get over the breakup? Yes, I'm getting over it now. Run into. To meet someone by chance. Did you run into your old friend? Yes, I ran into her at the mall. Take after. To resemble a family member. Do you take after your mother? Yes, I take after her in many ways. Stand by. To support someone. Will you stand by me in difficult times? Yes, I'll always stand by you.